Hey guys, what's up? And today it's Ogresweft here, and today is Windstorm Part 2. This is part of the Windstorm, and yeah, this is Windstorm Part 2. This is our last video about the Windstorm. This is my visit to the beach house. So yeah, it is a Sunday. So yeah, we're coming back because I have my travel baseball game, and yeah. Yeah, you can. Sorry guys about that green thing. Just do that. It's just mine. Yeah, I'm just checking if it was working. So yeah. Hi, Ducky. What the heck is that? Yeah. You're not going to go out in this, but we are going to get close to going out, but we're not going out. Because, yeah, the seagulls having a tough time flying, and, like, this is high tide, too. Oh! One of the ducks just got killed. One sec. Yes, it did. It got, like, the wave ripped it. Sorry. If you just saw that over there, it was like weird. One of the ducks just got knocked out by the wave. It was like... So yeah, this video is going to be over soon, so yeah.